Cell Parts and Processes, Part 1 by Rustin Fallerina. Cell. A cell is the basic unit of life. All cells have a cell membrane, DNA, ribosomes, and cytoplasm. Cell membrane. It is a cell's outer boundary. It is made up of phospholipids. It's a barrier between the cell and its environment, and it is also called the plasma membrane. Here's the plasma membrane. Cytoplasm. It's a collective term for cytosol and organelles contained within it. Cytosol is mainly composed of water with free-floating molecules. Its viscosity constantly changes. Within the cytoplasm are centrioles, chloroplasts, and cytoskeleton. Centrioles. They are paired cylindrical organelles near the nucleus. They are composed of 9 tubes, each with 3 tubules. They are involved in cellular division, and they lie at right angles to each other. Chloroplast. A plastid usually found in plant cells. Contain green chlorophyll where photosynthesis takes place. Cytoskeleton. Composed of microtubules. Supports cell and provides shape. It aids movement of materials in and out of cells. Ribosome. Cell structure that uses genetic instructions transported in ribonucleic acid or RNA to link a specific sequence of amino acids into chains to form proteins. Each cell has thousands of these. There are two kinds of cells. They are called prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic. A prokaryotic cell is not as complex as a eukaryotic cell. Doesn't have a nucleus. The genetic material is a single loop of DNA which looks like a single strand of string that is tangled. Eukaryotic. It has a nucleus and more parts that are specialized. All multicellular organisms are made up of eukaryotic cells. The framework of the cell. A cytoskeleton has a web of fibers that support the cell. A cytoskeleton has 3 types of fibers: microfilaments, microtubules, and intermediate fibers. Directing cellular activities. Most of the cellular activities depend on the proteins that the cell makes. In a eukaryotic cell, the DNA is stored inside the nucleus to protect it from getting lost or destroyed. The instructions of the DNA is then copied to RNA messages. Nucleus. It is surrounded by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope has many pores. Nuclear pores. Protein processing. The proteins sent outside the cell must be kept separate from the rest of the cytoplasm. For this to happen, the cell packages its proteins in vesicles. ER, or endoplasmic reticulum. A system of membranes that is found in a cell's cytoplasm. It helps in the production, processing, and transporting of proteins and the production of lipids. Rough ER. It is called rough ER because when viewed through a microscope it looks bumpy. It looks bumpy because of the ribosomes attached to it. Smooth ER. It is called the smooth ER because there are no ribosomes attached to it. Golgi apparatus. This is a cell organelle that helps make and package materials be transported out of the cell. Storage and maintenance. Vesicles play a big part in the cell. Some transport materials within the cell while others are used for storage. Lysosome, a vesicle that contains specific enzymes that break down large molecules. These enzymes can digest food particles to provide nutrients for the cell. Lysosomes work by fusing with other vesicles. They are made by the Golgi apparatus. Central vacuole. A lot of plant cells has a central vacuole. It is a large membrane-bound compartment. It can store water, ions, nutrients, and toxins. Chloroplast. An organelle that uses light energy to make sugar from carbon dioxide and water. Mitochondria. This is an organelle that uses energy from organic compounds to make ATP. There. Diversity in cells. Prokaryotes are always unicellular and limited in size. Eukaryotes are often larger and can be unicellular or multicellular. Prokaryotic cells lack a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, which can be found in the eukaryotes. Diversity in prokaryotes. Many prokaryotes have a flagella, and they have also a pili. Flagella are long thread-like structures that rotate to move the cell, while pili is used to grab other cells or stick to other things. Diversity in eukaryotes. Animal and plant cells are two types of eukaryotic cells. Plant cells have a cell wall and a vacuole.